5 stocks that could make you rich in 2025. This video is not financial advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor. This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions. Now, with that out of the way, let us talk about 5 stocks to watch in 2025 that could offer strong upside potential based on current market trends. 1. NVIDIA, ticker NVDA. NVIDIA is at the heart of the AI boom. From powering ChatGPT to running gaming rigs and data centers, they're everywhere. Why watch it? AI isn't slowing down, and NVIDIA is still leading the charge on the hardware side. 2. Shopify, ticker SHOP. Shopify powers e-commerce for millions of businesses worldwide. It's not just a store builder anymore, and it's a full digital ecosystem for creators and entrepreneurs. Why watch it? As more people launch online stores and side hustles, Shopify could keep scaling with them. 3. Google, Jude Alphabet, ticker Google. Google is diving deep into AI with Gemini, growing YouTube Shorts, and expanding its cloud empire. Why watch it? Their influence across search, content, and AI makes them a long-term powerhouse. Now 4. CrowdStrike, ticker CRWD. Cybersecurity is no longer optional, and CrowdStrike is one of the most trusted names in the space. Why watch it? As AI grows, so do threats. Governments and big companies are investing more than ever in protection. 5. SoFi Technologies, ticker SoFi. SoFi is building an all-in-one digital bank aimed at Gen Z and millennials. It offers investing, loans, banking, and credit, all in one sleek app. Why watch it? It's risky, but if traditional banking keeps falling behind, SoFi could explode in the coming years. Remember, this is not investment advice. These are stocks to study and keep an eye on, especially if you were looking to learn and grow in the market in 2025. Comment below, do you own any of these? Or even better, drop your own stock recommendations in the comments. I'm always looking for new ones to research. If this gave you value, smash that like, subscribe to the Wealth Loop, and turn on the bell for more smart money content. Made simple and straight to the point. See you in the next one.